Let's make some pumpkin pie, but this time we're not gonna bake anything. This is a lazy version, which is also sugar-free, low-calorie, and healthy. To start off, you will need pumpkin puree. I don't think canned pumpkin puree is a thing outside of the US, so to make it, you simply bake pumpkin until it's soft and mash it up. To the pumpkin, you can add pumpkin spice mix or just cinnamon if you don't have the spice mix. For extra sweetness, I added sweetener. Honey or maple syrup would also be good. Mix everything well and set it aside. You don't have to put it in a piping bag. I did because it would be a bit easier for me. Next, you will need to mix fat-free cream cheese and fat-free yogurt with sweetener. The final ingredients you'll need is nuts. Use any type you like. I prefer raw nuts, but you could toast these. If you don't like nuts, you can swap them for crushed biscuits. Chop or crush whatever you prefer and get ready to put everything together. I got these jars with lids for this purpose, but you can literally use any jar or bowl or even a glass instead. Start piping or spreading with a spoon layers of pumpkin, nuts, and cream cheese filling. Repeat the process until you fill the whole jar. This healthy dessert is especially convenient when you're having guests over for dinner because you can set everything up ahead of time and keep it in the fridge.